Good afternoon. So, I got to go to the pumpkin patch today. I did not get to see any pumpkins like mine. Mine is awesome. I'm going to weigh it here in a little bit. But I did get some pumpkins today. It was a great time out at the Smith Family Farms. If you haven't been out there, I definitely highly suggest it. It's the best selection of pumpkins I've ever seen. Ever. They did not pay me to say that. So, yes, I'm getting ready to show you. Calm down, calm down. So, I'm not your person to get your average pumpkins. Imagine that. Check out these bad boys. What's up, Martin? So, I really like this one. Oh, excuse me, big boy. Excuse me, big boy. Oh, it's a good boy. God, no. And then, look at this one right there. Look at the gray-green one. Oh, don't those look sweet? And we got that gray one right there. Try to rotate him around a little bit. What do you think? That look a little better. That looks better. That looks better, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks better. Yeah. So, let's weigh a couple of these bad boys up. Who wants to weigh these up? I do. Okay. So, first contestant is that one. Ooh. Look at that one. Ooh. Big old scale. So I'm hoping that it weighs these pumpkins if they weigh enough. I did not think about that, so hopefully they do weigh. Let's see what we got. Well, our first one, we have a 25.8. Earlier it said 26, I swear. I'm not lying, I swear it said 26. I want to say it says 26. Okay, so we have that one. It's a good pumpkin. Actually, let's take this one. Okay. We'll put that one over there for a second. Let's put that one. Ooh, we have a 17.4. Oh, I didn't drop you. I did drop you. 17.4. Oh, sweet. Okay. Nah. Okay, there's no lie. Check this out. So the orange one, 17.4. If you felt it, it doesn't seem like 17.4. Okay, it does seem like 17.4. This one seems heavier than that one. I swear it does. But you saw the scale before with the other one. Bam. It's kind of odd, isn't it? It's kind of odd. That feels heavier though, I swear it does. So you have those. Oh. this one. Perfectly round, perfectly round. I saw this one and I had to have it. But this one is only weighing in at a cool 23.4. 23.4. This one won't weigh on there, so we'll have to check this out. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. 28.6 with these two together. Oh, I kind of like that. So that one's only in a coat like 5 pounds. Ooh, look at this one. This one's super cool. It's probably not gonna tell me what it is, but there's our pumpkin selection. Completely sweet. I think we should go over here real quick and weigh this one. That's a great idea. This is one of the big ones that we got. Let's check out this guy. So you see how big he is. It'd be terrible if I dropped him. 48.6. 4, 8, 6. Anyway. Oh, yeah, pick it back up. Crap. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Hazel! Check. Hazel has a bunch of dirt on her. Looks like she's been into something. What you been eating? What you been eating? Yeah, she's been eating something. So, let's go up front real quick. Who wants to roll up front with me? Hold on, let me put this one on pause. All right, check this out. Let's go. So, I don't know about you all, but I love fall. Fall has chili, ham beans, fires, leaves changing colors, pumpkin patches, apple cider. Don't mind the pond. We'll go weigh him up here in a second. We'll be back.